In 60 days, I went from 0 to 4,500 followers on TikTok. I generated 1,000 email subscribers and I landed my first brand deal. Now, I know these numbers are big for me, but 4,500 followers on TikTok isn't massive in the grand scheme of things. But I just want to share my own personal experience because I can trace back this success to two very specific things. Number one is following inspiration, and number two is chasing opportunity. When inspiration hits, we need to follow it. For people like you and I, inspiration can be fleeting. It's not always going to be there. When we have it, it's not always going to last forever. So when we do have these bouts and periods of time where we are feeling really inspired, we want to try and capitalize on it as much as we possibly can. We don't want to sit back and let it pass us by. I was hit with a massive amount of inspiration back in December, and I just committed to going and pushing hard, posting daily, building my brand, and serving my audience. And these were the results that I was able to achieve. I knew that this inspiration was not going to last forever. I was very real with myself, but I just wanted to roll with it, feel what was going on, surrender into the process, and just roll with it. And I highly recommend you doing the same. The second was seeking opportunity. Opportunity can present itself in so many different ways, and we have to accept it when it comes knocking because it's so easy to push opportunity aside. For me, opportunity came in the lane of ChatGPT. That was for me an opportunity. This was a trend. It was something that I was very interested in. I had a ton of fun playing around with. And it came at the same time. It hit me with inspiration because I was playing with ChatGPT. I was having a lot of fun, and I started creating content about ChatGPT. This was an opportunity to capitalize on a trend that was highly relevant inside of my target market. Would I have been able to achieve the same results 1 year ago or 1 year from now? I have no idea. I'm not a fortune teller. I can't make that prediction. But what I know is that two key elements that I was able to track back to my success over the last 60 days was following and leaning into inspiration and being open and capitalizing on the opportunities that presented themselves. That is it for today. Happy marketing.